She's going into the.
Just open fast! I'm wide open! No!
Pass, Josephine. Pass to Kuya, Josephine.
I'm trying! Open flat, Yaman! Right here! Ow. Yaman! Right here, right? It's a good spot, bro! Ah, pass! Yaman! Get ball.
Foul.
That one wasn't passing to me then.
Oh, she was wide open, Mike. She was wide open. Go get him.
Get us the
Get that ball.
I'm right open.
Go right back. Go back. Never mind.
Put it back here. No!
Shoot, Bray.
Oh! Yes! Let's go! You might pass!
All right, check. Oh, wait, I know victory dance. Play. Hello, up and down.
Up and down.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm going to my shop.
You going to your shop?
Yeah.
Show me your shop. Hi guys. Ito po yung shop ni Josephine.
Oh, stop.
Why? You should be proud of your shop. You're a future business girl. So she's trying to sell what, Nak?
Huh?
You're selling what? Not yet? You're just building your shop for now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Anyways, guys, tinanggal namin yung tawagan shading net namin kasi magpatambak kami dito ng soil. So, tinanggal mo muna namin. Cut my roses, guys. Meron din akong tinanim. Tinanim na namin yan. Tapos ito, nakita namin tong mangga. Trying to see if mabubuhay ba yan. Tapos may kalachoche. Hiningi namin sa talibon. Madawag nga ni mo? Murag de. Atala dapit putang sako, mainitan. Need ni mo dayungan ka nako. Yang ato ang kuan ni. Kabugat. Para sana. Yan. Pwede po ganhan lang na natin butang no. Oo, di. So, ito yung ginawa ko kahapon, guys. Nag-ICU ako. See. Ito yung in-order ko na cuttings. Trying to see if mabubuhay ba. Tapos, ito, nabili ko. Ito tawagan African tree. African talisay. Last night, dinagyan namin ng kasi may aphids siya. Nabili namin to, hindi mura lang. Pero we treat her. Ato panindugagan karong gabi Sigundaan na to, nede. Hugasan lang. Ano, water ba? Ito yung mga binili kong bougainvillea, mga top rare po yan, mga rare bougainvillea. Dito yung old, nakita ko, tinanim ko ulit. Ngayon nabubuhay na. Ito nakita ko to. So, I just tried to plant it again.
Ito yung revive.
Ha? Sana ato pa ni. Ito. I will try and see kung ma-revive ko ba to. But I'm sure ma-revive to. Ay, buhay naman. Kailangan lang ng new soil. Hindi ko kasi ito nakita. Tapos ito yung mamamatay na sana. Tapos kinating namin ito. Meron ng visible na bulaklak. It's surviving.
Ano naman? Ah,
So,
humar ako pa. No.
ito ba ito mo? Masih magpundo. Ikaw man, masih magpundo. No? Dili, be.
But only this.
Naman ko ikibay ninyo bagong slipper, be.
Huh?
Ako ikibay ninyo bagong slipper.
I have. Wait, what? Wait, why you buy this again?
Doesn't fit you?
It feels good. I love it.
Okay. I don't kiss it, be. It's dirty. Can you try, please? Feel na ko na. Kaya di maigo ni. Sige. Go in. Igo, oy. Sakto naman.
Need to take us
Ah,
off
sige,
so it can
sige.
fit.
Hali atong kuanon.
I baked it.
Imo have Mike. Kuana
You
daw,
can
Mike.
fit me. Wow! So dako ah. I could break this.
Be, be.
Dako oy.
Hold this.
I won't forget this right now. I will ragdoll there when I'm big.
Huh?
To your Michael when it comes here again.
No. You don't play in that. You're gonna get really dirty and itchy.
I remember there, Padjun. I keep ragdolling. It was so fun. And
Oh.
but next time I won't kill the frog.
Ala ka, ha?
I thought he wasn't looking for his family.
Oh, he's looking for his family. So guys, ito na po yun. Tinatambak namin, guys. So, kinuha namin yung mga plants para hindi ma-damage. Yeah.